Hello and welcome to the world of peace. In this video, you will learn valuable tips to start practicing meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool that can help you calm your mind, find emotional balance, and improve your overall health. Whether you're new to meditation or simply want to enhance your technique, this video is for you. Let's get started. I know how frustrating it can be to not be able to meditate and end up feeling even more stressed. But don't worry, this is completely normal and many people face this same difficulty. First, it's important to understand that meditation is a practice, and like any practice, it takes time and dedication to master. Don't be too hard on yourself and don't give up. Try starting with short sessions, just a few minutes a day. One tip that can help is to try meditating at a fixed time every day, to create a routine and help your body and mind get used to the practice. In addition, try different meditation techniques, such as mindfulness meditation, movement meditation, or guided meditation, until you find the one that best suits you. Another important point is the environment in which you meditate. Try to choose a calm, peaceful, and comfortable location with little distraction and free from external noises, where you can concentrate without interruptions. Remember that meditation is a personal practice and each person has a unique way of connecting with themselves and the world around them. You don't need to sit in a lotus position or make complex movements, you can simply sit comfortably in a chair or sofa. During meditation, it's normal for thoughts to come to mind. Don't feel bad about it. It's a natural reaction of the brain. Try to simply observe the thoughts as if they were clouds passing through the sky, without clinging to them or trying to fight them. Focus on your breath and try to keep your mind relaxed. I know it can be difficult to concentrate on meditation and not think about anything. But I want you to know that this is part of it and there is no problem in having thoughts during meditation. Remember that meditation is not about not having thoughts, but rather about observing them without judgment and letting them pass. Try not to cling to these thoughts and redirect your attention to your breath or another focal point you are using in meditation. If you have difficulty concentrating, try practicing in a quiet and distraction-free environment. Also, try to focus on the physical sensations of your body and the sensations of breathing. This can help calm your mind and concentrate more easily. Remember that meditation is a constant practice and each session is an opportunity for you to learn more about yourself and improve your concentration skills. Don't be too hard on yourself and continue practicing with love and patience, and day by day you will notice how you are becoming more focused and thought-free. But if you still have difficulty, try guided meditations, which can help keep your mind focused on a single point. Here on the channel, we have several videos available with guided meditations, find one that resonates with you. Remember that meditation is a powerful tool to help reduce stress, anxiety, and improve the quality of life. Don't put too much pressure on yourself and try to incorporate this practice gradually into your routine. With time and practice, I'm sure you'll be able to meditate more easily and enjoy the benefits of this wonderful technique. And how long should I meditate for? Actually, there is no specific rule regarding the length of meditation. It's best to start with short sessions of 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase as you feel more comfortable and accustomed to the practice. However, the important thing is not the time itself, but the quality of your meditation. Even if you meditate for just a few minutes, if you are present and focused, you can obtain significant benefits for your mental and emotional health. So don't worry about the time. The important thing is to find a pace that works for you and allows you to enjoy all the benefits of meditation. Remember that meditation is not a miracle cure to solve all stress and anxiety problems. It is a powerful tool, but it should be used in conjunction with other stress management techniques such as exercise, healthy eating, and good sleep quality. Don't give up. Meditation can be a challenging journey, but it is also an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. With dedication and practice, I'm sure you'll overcome this difficulty and enjoy all the benefits that meditation can offer. I hope these tips have been helpful for you to start meditating and enjoy all the benefits that this practice can bring to your life. If you know someone who also needs to calm their mind and find emotional balance, share this video with them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again soon.